Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to simulate a fake call on your iPhone. So if you want to get out of a meeting or maybe you want to avoid a certain person, then you can go ahead and simulate a fake call on your iPhone and you can get occupied on it. So let me show you how to do this on your iPhone. So first you want to go ahead and open up the App Store. Here you're searching for an app called Fake Call. There are many apps on the Play Store. However, the one that I got is Fake Call Me, which is right here. Go ahead and install this app. Now, once that's installed, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, it's very simple. You just need to set a name. Next, go ahead and set a timer. So it'll call you after 5 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. So we'll go ahead and choose 5 seconds. And then tap on Start Timer and Call. So you do not need to lock your phone or touch the home button. The app will simulate a lock screen, so a black screen, and will call you later. You can come back to the screen anytime by double tapping the black screen, either before or after the call. So we'll go ahead and tap OK. Now, since this is a free app, it'll show you an ad. So just watch it for about 5 seconds, skip the video, and you get the black screen. After 5 seconds, a call will be simulated, and you can go ahead and pick up this call as normal, and you can pretend that you're talking to someone on your iPhone. So there you go, guys. That is how to simulate a fake call on your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.